Today, we are going to look at whether you can use a VPN for TikTok in the United States and how to set it up the right way. Many people use a VPN to protect their online privacy, to change their location, or to keep apps like TikTok working the way they want. Using a VPN for TikTok in the US is allowed, and it is one of the easiest ways to keep your connection private and stable while using the app. Before we start, you can check the link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price if you want a faster and more stable VPN later. A VPN works by hiding your real IP address and routing your internet traffic through a secure server in another location. When you connect to a VPN, TikTok will only see the server's IP address and not your real one. This can help if you want to access different content, avoid network blocks, or stay more private when scrolling or posting videos. To use a VPN for TikTok in the US, start by choosing a trusted VPN service. I will use NordVPN because it is fast, simple, and works smoothly with social media apps. You can go to their site by clicking the link in the description. After that, download the NordVPN app for your device. It works on iPhone, Android phones, tablets, and even home Wi-Fi routers if you want all of your devices protected at the same time. Once the NordVPN app is installed, open it and sign in with your account. On the main screen, you will see NordVPN's map view and a list of server locations. For the best speed, choose a server inside the United States. If you want to see TikTok content from another country, you can select a server from that region instead. After choosing your server, tap the Connect button. NordVPN will secure your connection and hide your real IP address. Once you are connected, open TikTok again. The app will now run through NordVPN and your location will appear as the server you selected. If TikTok feels slow, you can switch to another NordVPN server. They have many options across the US, so you can always find one with better performance. You can also choose the NordLynx protocol in the settings, because it gives the best speed for streaming and social apps. Keeping NordVPN running in the background will make sure your TikTok feed stays stable and consistent. If the VPN disconnects, TikTok may refresh, so it is better to keep the connection active while using the app. NordVPN remains one of the best choices for TikTok in the US because it is fast, secure, and easy to use. You can try NordVPN at a great price using the link in the description.